Hi, everybody. My name is Amanda Wusk with NIFA, and we just want to welcome you to NIFA's Homeownership video series. This was developed to provide information and educational opportunities to our current and future homeowners in recognition of National Homeownership Month. NIFA provides educational opportunities throughout the year in many formats. This year, we have adapted to our new social distancing guidelines and created this video series. We have many great sponsors and exhibitors that partner with us for our events, and we want to say thank you to Essent and First National Bank of Omaha for sponsoring this video and being great partners for us. Today we have Jackie Young and Stacy Fatinos from NIFA, and they are going to get the conversation started and introduce your speaker for the day. Thank you.
Thanks, Amanda. Hello and welcome. My name is Jackie Young. I am the Chief Homeownership Officer at NIFA. Thanks for joining us today to discuss what is private mortgage insurance, also known as MI. I'm happy to introduce Valerie Reason, who is an account representative at Essent Guarantee. Essent is one of NIFA's important partners who help first-time home buyers purchase a home with a smaller down payment, and they provide affordable mortgage insurance options. There are some misconceptions about MI. So I'm going to ask Valerie a few questions about the basics. And I really appreciate you taking the time to chat with us today, Valerie. So are you ready for some questions?
Yes, thank you for inviting me today. I appreciate it very much.
All right. So the first question that I have is, what is private mortgage insurance?
Well, private mortgage insurance, and commonly referred to as MI, allows a lender to offer you a mortgage when you make a down payment that is less than 20% of your new home's value. MI helps protect or cover the lender against a loss if you ever default on your mortgage.
Very good, Valerie. So what is the minimum amount of a down payment that a home buyer can make?
A home buyer can put as little as 3% down on their mortgage.
Very good. So question number 2 that I have is, MI the same as mortgage life insurance or homeowners insurance?
No, mortgage life, also known as credit life insurance, pays off your mortgage in the event of your death. Homeowners insurance covers you for events such as fires, floods, and other hazards.
Okay, so here's a good question. How much does MI cost?
Well, good question. It depends on your loan's risk level. A number of variables are used to analyze risk, such as your credit score, the amount you're putting down, your debt to income ratio, and the type of property you're buying.
So basically what you're saying, that there are several things that could affect the cost of MI?
Yes, exactly. A number of variables go into calculating what that factor could be.
So that's where a loan officer can help to make sure that the borrower gets into the right option for them.
Absolutely. There are different types of mortgage insurance, such as borrower paid MI, which is a popular choice for many borrowers, and there are 3 types. Would you like me to explain the different types?
Yes, please do so.
Okay. We have the most popular deferred monthly, which folds your borrower paid MI premium into your monthly mortgage, starting with your first payment. Single premium lets you pay your total MI cost up front at closing or to finance it into your loan. Split premium lets you pay a portion of your MI premium at closing or to finance it into your loan and fold the remainder into your monthly mortgage. There's also lender paid mortgage insurance. With this option, your lender pays your MI premium, then factors the cost into your interest rate or charges an origination fee to cover the cost.
All right. So how can I cancel my MI? At what point in my loan can I do that?
Well, you can ask your loan servicer to cancel your borrower paid mortgage insurance when the unpaid balance on your mortgage reaches 80% of your original property value. Your loan servicer must cancel your borrower paid MI when the unpaid balance of your mortgage insurance reaches 78% of your original property value, as long as the mortgage is current. Otherwise, it must be canceled when it reaches its halfway point, 15 years on a 30-year mortgage, as an example.
Okay.
MI cancel, and let me just say that MI cancellation under the Homeowners Protection Act only applies to borrower paid MI for single family primary residences. Some states, notably New York, also have cancellation laws that predate and may supersede the Homeowners Protection Act.
So would you say that the majority of the premiums that you see are borrower paid?
Yes, that is the most common, is your borrower paid monthly MI insurance.
Okay. So am I able to deduct my MI premiums on my tax return?
Well, if you itemize your tax deductions and you have paid or accrued MI premiums on a mortgage that was obtained after January 1st of 2007, you may be eligible to deduct your premiums on your federal income taxes. There are income restrictions though, so you should consult your tax advisor regarding your eligibility under the IRS code and the laws of any other taxing jurisdictions.
All right, good to know. Stacy, did you have any questions for Valerie?
You know, I was going to make a comment that I was in the mortgage industry for a number of years and had no idea that the cancellation was automatic at the halfway point in your mortgage. So I think that that is really, really valuable to know. As far as single premiums, do you see that? How is that advantageous to a borrower?
Well, a number of variables, and it really, lots of questions, how long you're going to be in the home, what your circumstances is. So it's best to talk with your loan officer and walk through the different options and see which situation best fits your scenario.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I don't have any other questions for Valerie, if you don't either, Stacy. So thanks very much, Valerie, for helping us educate home buyers on the facts about MI and the important role it plays in the mortgage industry. So Amanda, if you wanted to wrap this up for us.
Yeah, thanks ladies so much. This was a great conversation to include into our home buyer video series for the month of June. NIFA just wants to wish everybody a happy homeownership month, and we encourage you to check out all of our videos for a chance to win a prize. All you have to do is watch the NIFA homeownership video series. New videos are posted on our Facebook page, NIFA Housing, every Friday in June. And you can see all the rules and how to get entered and when we'll be drawing those prizes as well. Thanks again, Valerie, for being our guest speaker for the day, and we hope you all have a wonderful week.
Thank you.
Thank you.